So if you see this part, I just cut vertical line here. I get a triangle here already, correct? Okay. And the other part, I will just use, this is under this curve here. I split into two areas and then calculate and then add off. Okay, so this is the easiest way. I'm going to integrate this curve. I get the blue one. The green one is just, I add a vertical line, so I actually see a triangle. Triangle means I'll just use half base height, okay? Because the point B, here I already have a 9, right? So it's just 9 to 10.5. You can see the base is 1.5. Okay? And then the height is what? The height follow the B height. So the B height here is 5. Okay? So I'm going to do separate part. Okay? Maybe we just talk about a triangle first. So 14B, first I find triangle area is half. Base is the 10.5 minus the 9 that gets you the base of the triangle. The height of the triangle is 5. Because that's how high B is. Okay? Point B, the height is 5. Yeah. So if you scared you forgot, you just put the 5 here. This is a 5 here. The 10.5 is the C coordinate. The C is at 10.5. Can? Because 10.5 I label a bit up. So if let's say you see I erase this one, I label below, right? I label below this C point is 10.5, comma 0 here. Can you see that? The C from the origin is 10.5. Okay? X value of C. So the base is 10.5 minus 9. Alright? Okay, then you press calculator for this part. Let's see what I have here. 3.75. Okay, yeah, 3.75. Okay, so now let's focus on the blue color part where I need the integration. So integration, what is the start point of my integration is this A point, which is this 2/3, right? And where do I stop? I stop at this 9 here. Okay, so I'm going to integrate from 2/3 to 9 of this 3x minus 2. I raise to power half. Then remember to write dx, okay? Always remember to write dx, right? Okay, now I start my integration process. Integration process, this type is raise power, divide power, and coefficient of x. Remember your inside need to do. Okay, whichever you see a bracket, remember, okay? That's inside layer. So now I increase the power first. So 3x minus 2, just take calculator plus 1. You should be getting 3/2, right? Half plus 1. So 1.5. Then you divide by the power, which is 3/2. Normally people will remember. So now you remember you still need to divide. Okay, this integration is very special. Eh? You only learn this type, which is you divide by the coefficient of x, which is the 3 here. Okay, so once you're done, I'm going to insert the bracket and move the 9 and the 2/3 behind. So this part here, this one is very ugly. So you want to click calculator before you plug in the 9 and the 2/3. If not, later your calculation here is so messy. So this is the invisible one in front here, okay? You just take 1 divide by this whole chunk, it will give you answer in your calculator. So if not, I will do my own reciprocal. So I know this is 9/2. I swap in front is 2/9. You can try a calculator. Yeah, because I'm very familiar with, I do fraction below is 9/2. I know underneath means I swap reciprocal already. Okay, so it's 2/9. If you don't know, you can just rely on your calculator. So I just change expression so that the next step when you insert the 9, the 2/3, then it's nicer and neater only, okay? So same thing, this one I tell students up to you. The 2/9 you want to put inside, outside, doesn't matter. If it's constant, you can pull out. So if you don't want, you just keep it inside. Keep it inside means you have to write 2 times only, which is okay. So I write 1, I need to insert 9, okay? Then minus, I insert 2/3. So 3 times 2/3 minus 2 power 3/2. Oh, actually this part cancel the 3, 2 minus 2. Here, this whole thing is 0, but doesn't matter, you just click calculator. This whole thing, but show your teacher you insert the 9 and 2/3. Okay? Then if too long, you might want to just click calculator part by part. When you click calculator, you notice here is 0, so actually you don't need to do anything. You need the front clicking part. Let me see if I have an answer in front. I have a 250/9. Okay, for my integration area. We have not done yet. Huh? Remember, we haven't add the area together. So the area will be this 250 over 9 plus the 3.75. Okay, it's very ugly, so I like to click my answer to a mixed fraction or mixed number, 31 and 19 over 36. Okay, unit square.